Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brad from Lake Norman MarineMax. We'll do a quick walkthrough of the 280 SLX Sea Ray. When you first get on this boat, you notice one thing: quality. This boat is equipped with Quiet Ride from Sea Ray, big aft sun deck, L-shaped seating moving forward in the cockpit. You notice in-floor storage, removable snap-in carpet, a full complement on the dash with a medallion touchscreen display, DTS shifter, Lenco trim tabs, multimedia Bluetooth stereo system, a very nicely equipped head. Moving forward through the windshield, you'll see plenty of seating up front with the Rockford Fosgate stereo. Even further forward, you find a concealed anchor windlass. More in-floor storage forward. Cockpit area shows your reversible seating. Very large top that folds down. That's a quick walkthrough of the 280 SLX.